Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to use compare at price, Strikethrough and Odoo. So in this platform we compare at price, Strikethrough. Price is used to show a higher original price next to discount price, like $50 maybe to 35. Okay, so this is useful for sales, promotions, and urgency. So the Odoo does not have direct compare at price field by default like Shopify. Instead, you simulate it using the price lists like discounts or website promotional price features or custom theme options. So actually guys, to do that you will need to enable the price lists. Okay, and to do that you will need to go to the sales model. All right, so once you click it here you will need to go with the configuration. Okay, so that's option at the top, and then you will need to go with the settings. Okay, so right here guys, you will need to enable the price lists. Okay, so this one, and then you will need to create a discount. Okay, so you will need to go to the sales here, then go with products. Okay, click on products, go with save first, so save the changes, and go with an existing one or just go with a new one. Okay, and here you will need to go and set up sales price, sales taxes, and purchase taxes, and you will need to set a discount percent. Okay, so you will need to add rule for your products. Okay, so Odoo will automatically show the original price like the Strikethrough and discounted price. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.